In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Kartra password. We'll walk through the exact clicks in your account and what to expect in the email confirmation so nothing catches you off guard. Start by signing in and heading to your Kartra dashboard. For security, do this on a trusted device and a private network. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon, which might show your initials or an avatar. Click that, and from the small menu that opens, choose Profile. This takes you to the page where you manage your account details. On the profile page, find the option labeled Change Password and select it. Instead of making you type a new password right there, Kartra triggers a secure reset flow. You'll notice a message on screen indicating that a reset is pending and to check your email to complete the process. That's your cue to open the inbox associated with your Kartra account. If you don't immediately see the message, give it a minute, then check spam or promotions. Open the email from Kartra and click the secure link inside. The link takes you to a page where you can set a new password. Choose something strong and memorable, ideally a unique passphrase you haven't used elsewhere, and store it in a password manager. After you finish the reset, return to your profile page and click Save to confirm any pending changes there. This helps ensure your account details are up to date. If the email never arrives, verify you're checking the right inbox and consider resending the request from the same change password option. Once done, you can optionally sign out and sign back in with your new password to confirm everything worked. That's it. You've successfully initiated and completed a secure password change in Kartra.